This footage was captured directly from Earth's orbit. It was recorded by ISS astronauts Thomas Pesquet and Robert Kimbrough in January 2017 during a routine spacewalk. While installing new lithium-ion batteries, the astronauts didn't immediately realize they were being watched. A helmet-mounted camera on Thomas Pesquet recorded a large UFO circling the station. Skeptics claimed it was just space debris. But take a closer look at its path. The object makes deliberate maneuvers, moves at high speed, suddenly brakes, and turns 180 degrees. It seems this UFO is controlled by an intelligent operator. February 10, 2017, Chile. An Air Force show in Puerto Varas nearly ended in disaster. During a maneuver, a fighter jet almost collided with an unidentified flying object. And this UFO footage appeared online on April 5, 2019. It was filmed from a regular passenger airliner flying over Spain. The exact filming date and flight number remain unknown, but look how clearly the UFO was caught on video. We live in an era of great astronomical discoveries. In the past 10 years alone, astronomers have found dozens of potentially habitable planets in our galaxy, the Milky Way. The closest one suitable for life was discovered in October 2016. It is just 4.5 light-years away, orbiting our nearest star, Proxima Centauri. It's easy to imagine beings with advanced technology, or who had it thousands of years ago, capable of studying Earth. Today, we do the same. With our basic, almost primitive technology, we send missions to Mars or land on the Moon. Of course, for our civilization, that's a huge step. But do we know what alien civilizations are capable of? No, we don't. There are hundreds of artifacts allegedly left by aliens on Earth. These include South American Ica stones depicting ancient astronauts, and Japanese dog figurines that look like people in spacesuits, and the Nazca desert figures. Every culture on Earth has myths connected to mysterious discoveries. For example, ancient China describes technical devices explicitly attributed to the sons of heaven, gods who descended from the sky. Any technology ancient people couldn't explain was credited to gods. This is the so-called Roswell stone, a dark brown rock with a mysterious symbol carved into its surface. In 2004, farmer Robert Ridge found it near the American town of Roswell. This is the same place where, on July 2, 1947, a flying saucer allegedly crashed. That event became known as the Roswell Incident. When Robert Ridge found the stone at the crash site, he immediately suspected an alien connection and turned it over to scientists. In the video, you can see an experiment. An ordinary magnet brought near the mysterious stone makes it spin, first to the right, then to the left. Earth rocks don't behave this way, but that's not the only mystery of the Roswell stone. The symbol carved on its surface is so geometrically precise it suggests artificial creation. But such fine work couldn't be done by hand. Researchers believe the mark was made with a laser. Who did it, where, when, and why? But that's not all. The exact same circular symbol appeared in a crop circle in the British town of Liddington in 1996. That case also involved a UFO. This footage is famous today. As you can see, two glowing orbs create the circles. Judging by their movements, they know exactly what they're doing. While the method for making these mysterious symbols is at least hypothetically understood, no one has been able to decipher these cosmic messages. According to astronomer Michael Meyer from the University of Arizona, more than half of stars similar to our Sun have Earth-like planetary systems orbiting in so-called habitable zones. That means life in the universe might not be so rare. But who exactly is watching humanity remains a mystery. In February 2015, NASA released detailed images of Ceres showing two bright white spots inside the Achater crater. Spectral analysis revealed they are sodium carbonate, in other words, plain soda. Soda, as we know, is derived from limestone. Is this possibly a limestone quarry? And that's not all. Here's the Tsiolkovsky crater on the far side of the Moon. It too looks like a mining operation. As we know, only living planets can produce rare earth metals, and only intelligent beings mine gold. In the Altai region, researchers discovered sensational traces of an unknown civilization. This incredible find was made in the mountains near the resort town of Belokurica. A local resident, Alexander Paraselkov, went hiking on Mount Makhnataya with his son Ruslan. They climbed high and suddenly stumbled upon carefully worked stones. They froze in shock, unable to believe their eyes. At first, they thought it was just rock formations. But no, look for yourself. It's a massive head of a predatory bird with a hooked beak. It stands taller than a person. A closer inspection left no doubt. This is a man-made, ancient, giant megalithic sculpture and remarkably well preserved. But scientists thought no human had ever set foot here. Now it turns out that thousands of years ago, people lived here, and they were advanced enough to create such large, skillful sculptures. When researchers studied these sculptures, they discovered something incredible. The huge megaliths actually continue underground. They found not just one sculpture on the Altai Mountain, but two. And not just birds, but mythical creatures, a dragon and a griffin. The dragon is made of 6 parts measuring 5 to 6.5 feet, about 1.5 to 2 meters, long. The griffin is 20 feet long and over 7 feet tall, 6 and 2 meters respectively. It has a prominent skull, a heavy beak, an eye-shaped hollow, and a long serrated crest. Its neck is clearly visible, while the rest is buried underground. The sculpture faces east and is surrounded by other shaped stones, some with holes in them. These discoveries support a shocking theory that's gaining popularity today. Perhaps in the distant past, there existed an unknown, highly developed culture that worshipped flying creatures.